Hey you guys, thanks for dropping by one of my videos once again. Today I want to show you guys, I was just chilling, but I did do some running around, and I have been for these past 3-4 weeks, and I was like, this stuff is piling up in the corner of my closet, and I have to start showing you guys what I've been finding at my Goodwill and local thrift stores. So as comfortable as I am, including this shirt, I know it's November, but I do slay all day, and I'm just going to start by showing you just a couple of things that I've been getting. So yesterday off of work, I stopped by Goodwill because I just wasn't ready to come home, and I was bored, and I was like, hey, I'm just gonna stop in. But one thing that I've been doing, I've been looking for new bedding and new pictures because it is fall. I just want to change the scenery in my bedroom at least, and in my living room, but I've just gonna stick to my bedroom since I do spend most of my time in here. But one thing that I did find was this canvas picture. It's a pink Chanel perfume bottle, and I've been looking for these at like Ross, TJ Maxx, Burlington, and stores like that, just anything around town that carry like Home Goods and things. It's actually Home Goods here, but I don't have time to stop in there because it'd be like super busy when I get off. But I found this picture in Goodwill, and it's in good condition, and you might not be able to price right there, but I got it for $4.94. And if anybody knows, you can actually find these pictures for at least starting around $14-15, and they can run you up to $20 and $22. So with me loving pink and the whole Paris and Chanel thing, I did actually think this was a good find and for a really good price, and it's in good condition. I already sanitized it yesterday, and I'm just gonna wait until I actually find some bedding that I like before I actually put it up, or I might just put it in my closet or my bathroom. It all depends on what other decorations I can get to go with it. But I thought this was a good find just to be walking into the Goodwill and, you know, walking up on it for a whim. And for $5, I mean, you can't beat it. So it was gonna be sticking out in the corner, so I went on and pointed that out because I'm putting in my video. It's kind of cute for the background. But another thing that I do actually really enjoy going to Goodwills and thrift stores and finding are designer purses. And I thought that I could actually show someone, or you guys, I thought I could be able to show you what the purses look like before I actually repair them. So I actually got this one maybe 4 weeks ago, because I actually got a polo sweater with it, and I was like, I'm gonna save it for the video. But I actually wore the sweater because it's sweater weather, it is fall, and I just went on and wore it, and then showed this. And it's this, if I can get my life together, it's this pink Victoria's Secret lunch bag, and it is brand new. I actually did have the tag on it, but I did wash it, of course, because I always sanitize anything before I either bring it to my apartment or before I actually let it get into like deep inside my living spaces, especially my closet. So I clean them and sanitize before I bring it in, or I'll leave them in the trunk. I wish I had the tag to show you, but it is clean inside and out, brand new, no scuffs and marks. And I thought that I could just switch up my lunch bags for work. I thought it was cute, and I got it for $3. So not bad for brand new. Speaking of Victoria's Secret, I actually did find another one. I didn't get this one at the Goodwill. I actually found it in one of my local thrift stores. This one, it's the Victoria's Secret just bag, I guess. It did have the tag on it. I got it, it was marked for $8, but it was half off of purses and other, I think it was like blue or purple tags and Halloween stuff. So this was like a week or two ago, and it's marked at $59.50 for Victoria's Secret. But you know, it's probably just one of those freebie bags. You know, you spend $100, you get a free tote. But with it having the plastic on it and things, and I really like this little clutch that was attached inside, so I was like, that's not bad for $4 since it was half off. And I could just put like my extra socks and clothes and things that I carry in my car and just toss it in the very back, so just in case I need to, you know, emergency anything. But I thought it was cute. You know, for $4, she can't beat it. Instead of spending $100 just to get this little bag at Victoria's Secret. or pink. I think that lunch bag was probably a freebie too, but no telling. So at Goodwill, I did find this Coach crossbody. It might be one of the way past season bags, but I thought it was cute. It looks a little small. When I first picked it up, I was like, this has to be like a kid purse. But I noticed the print, and I was like, well, that look like authentic Coach, and it is. I did look it up and everything, and I did clean it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like on. But this is the inside. It's like purple satin material on the inside. And I have cleaned it. This was in really good condition. And as you can see, that's the Goodwill tag. It was red, so I did pay $4 for it. And I mean, it's a cute bag. Especially it has like fall colors. My nails aren't fall colors yet, but once I find a darker pink at the nail shop, then I'll switch it up and start rocking more darker colors. But once I show it, I mean, for $4, I think it was $100. It was at least like $98 when I looked it up. I'm gonna add it in so you can see what it looks like on. But it's cute. I mean, the strap isn't torn or anything. So this one, I didn't have to repair as much. I just had to wash it. It's actually in really good condition. It didn't have the little Coach tag on it, which I am disappointed about, because I love those little tags, especially on the wallets and things. But it is really cute. I like it. So that's something I can carry on when I'm walking around Walmart or something. The second bag I want to show is a crossbody as well. It's a, well, I didn't tuck the zip back in, but it's a Gianni beanie crossbody, and I got this at one of the thrift stores here in town. It was marked for $10 as well, but it was half off, so I got it for $5. And the girl at the counter, she thought it was really, really cute. I guess she didn't think someone was gonna buy it, but this is really cute. It's in good condition as well. It has a little wear. Actually, I lied. It's not a lot of wear. You can see it on the hardware, but that's because it's metal on metal there, that gold hardware. But even if, I mean, it's in good condition. I cleaned this as well. I don't have to do too many repairs on it, but show you the inside. It was really clean. So I thought that was really cute. You can see the designer tag there. It's brown, so it'll go with a lot. I might be able to pull it off in the summer too, but it's studded. I actually found it online as well to authenticate it and things. But for $5, another designer bag is cute. And when I say designer, I don't mean like, you know, Louis Vuitton or things like that. It's like affordable designer bag. You know, it's at Dillard's or wherever, Nordstrom's or something. So I mean, $5 can't beat it considering what the retail cost was at one point. And what I really, really want to show is this Michael Kors bag. I actually have this bag. My mom gave it to me as a just a gift. It was black and brown. It's the biggest version of it, of the tote. I can't remember the name of it. I'll put it in below. But it's the small version of that tote. I want to say Hampton. It can't be the Hampton. It's probably the Kempton tote or something. Forgive me for destroying the name. But I thought this was really cute. And I found this at the Goodwill for $4. Now, one thing about the Goodwill, it all depends on your state and how they price things. But it also depends on the employees there. I asked the employees at my Goodwill on how they price things. And it was like, girl, it really just depends on who back there marketing it. Because I was like, it don't make sense to find a Target purse for $20 or $25 and you actually have a Michael Kors bag, authentic, for $4. So I was like, it's scamming people. And I can't stand that. It's one thing about my local Goodwill I do hate. But I wanted to show this bag because there is somewhere on that leather, it might not even be leather, but it's on that handle there. But I'm gonna just get some leather oils and oil it up real good, sew up what I can, or cut off those threads, loose threads. And there is a little wear on the back side. It's not on the front side as much, but it's on the back side as well, if you can see that, where the leather is breaking. But I'm gonna sew that down really good. And it's also right here, just some loose threads, but it'll be all right. It was clean, and I cleaned it as well. That's what I said. I always clean things before I bring them deep into my apartment. Otherwise, it'll stay in the trunk or in the closet or the cabinet somewhere until I get a chance to clean it. But the interior is an orange, like a dark orange. And I mean, this is a cute bag, real bag, for $4 that I could just take when I'm running between when I go visit my parents at home or something. I just want to carry and throw all my chargers and books and whatever else in a bag. So I'm going to show you what all of these look like. That's what I got for the past week. I do have other things that I do want to show, but I'll grab those later and put them up later. But those are just a few of the things that I want to show you guys that you can actually find at the Goodwill before I actually repair them. And so I do actually have one more find that I actually found last week, and it's a purse, of course, but I am in love with it. I can't wait to wear it. It's one major flaw on it that I do have to cover that I can't fix myself, but I do have a way of fixing it. So hold on, just if you noticed it all, it was hanging in the back there on my little clothes rack. It is a Michael Kors purse as well. It's one of his older collection prints, but I like it. I have this print as well, but I have it in a tote, and it's brown. But it's this crossbody, and I got this at Goodwill as well. But like I said, they do mark specialty items up a little more. So I actually got this one for $12.91. It's in good condition, but there is one little flaw on it. It is a little, it looks like it got a burn hole or something there, if you can see it. But I was like, I can just take one of my novelty pens or whatever and just stick it there. And if I don't, nobody should be that close up on my bag anyway that they can see that. But the keychain little tag is intact, and it's really clean inside. I cleaned this one as well. And if you're wondering why this look like so shiny, it's because I took like a combination of oil. I don't have my leather oil, and I just rubbed it down after I had cleaned it and cut off the loose threads and things like that. There is a little, they weren't rough on this purse, but they were they did use it on the strap, if you can see, just a little crack here and there, but I tried to seal those as best as I could. But after that, other than that, I mean, I like it. I really do like it. His hardware is in good shape. That's why I don't understand. They tore the strap up. I mean, it was a little rough on the strap, on the leather, but the hardware and everything is good. It's really good. It's not scratched up or faded or anything. So that's a little odd to me, but whatever. And it has the little hardware on the front. It's shiny, but you get it. But I can't wait to wear this. I think this is my favorite find so far for November. Like I said, I got this one last week, and I'm ready to wear it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like on. And as a matter of fact, people talk about me in this shirt, but I got this shirt at Goodwill, and I'm gonna tell you, it wasn't used. It was brand new. I actually got it for $3 or $4, $3 or $4, because it was a boutique in town. It was like a Christmas shirt they had in store for $25 or $30. And I was like, girl, I'm not doing that. So what they actually did was donate their shirts that I guess they couldn't sell after season to Goodwill. It had the sticker and everything on it and the boutique tag. So I actually got that way after Christmas, and I've been wearing it year round. I don't care. It was a brand new shirt. It was cute, and it is true. I do slay all day. And since it is the season coming up, I thought it would be cute to wear. So plus I was just chilling today and running around the store. But those are my finds for the past few weeks. I think I'm gonna just show you my finds every week because I do spend a lot of time in the Goodwill and thrift stores. Now the other thrift stores in town, they do vary in their sales. So unless they got a really good sale on women's accessories and holiday accessories, I'll stop by there. Otherwise I don't, because they're even more overpriced for secondhand things than the actual Goodwill. So that is it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video today.